Good day everyone, I am Arin Iskamis of PIT Food Tech 4A. Today I will demonstrate the basic table setup. First, put the placemat at the center of the table. Next, put the dinner plate at the center of the placemat. Next, put the table napkin at the left side of the dinner plate. Next, put the dinner fork at the top of the table napkin. Next, put the dinner knife at the right side of the dinner plate. Make sure the blade is pointing beside the dinner plate. Next, put the dinner spoon at the right side of the dinner knife. Lastly, place the water goblet between the dinner plate and the utensils. This is the basic table setup. Thank you. Good day everyone, I am Arin Iskamis of PIT Food Tech 4A. Today I will demonstrate the informal table setup. First, put the placemat at the center of the table. Next, place the dinner plate at the center of the placemat. Next, put a soup bowl at the top of the dinner plate. Next, put the dinner knife at the right side of the dinner plate. Beside the dinner knife, place the dessert spoon. Next, place the dinner fork at the left side of the dinner plate. Beside the dinner fork, place the dessert fork. Next, place the water goblet between the dinner plate and the utensils. Lastly, place the table napkin between the soup bowl and the dinner plate. This is the informal table setup. Thank you. Good day everyone, I am Arin Iskamis of PIT Food Tech 4A. Today, I will demonstrate the formal table setup. First, put the placemat at the center of the table. Next, put the serving plate at the center of the placemat. Next, put the dinner plate at the top of the serving plate. Next, put the soup bowl at the top of the dinner plate. Next, put the dinner knife at the right side of the dinner plate. Next, put the soup spoon at the right side of the dinner knife. Next, put the wine glasses and water goblet between the dinner plate and utensils. Next, put the dinner fork at the left side of the dinner plate. Next, put the salad fork beside the dinner fork. Next, place the table napkin between the dinner plate and the soup bowl. Right above fork so go your bread plate and bread knife. Lastly, directly above the plate will go the salad fork and the salad spoon. This is the formal table setup. Thank you.